Welcome back to Nuance Art, your favorite destination for home design and interior inspiration. Today, we're inviting you to step into a dream, a rustic stone cottage nestled deep in nature, where tranquility meets timeless charm. If you've ever imagined waking up to birdsong, sipping your morning coffee with forest views, and living in a space that breathes harmony, then you're going to fall in love with today's feature. This isn't just a house, it's a way of life. In this video, we'll walk you through every detail of this enchanting home, from its weathered stone facade to the cozy, wood-accented interiors. Every inch whispers serenity. If living close to nature is your goal, this cottage is the perfect blueprint for it. So sit back and enjoy. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Nuance Art, hit that like button, and leave a comment to share your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Let's begin with the exterior, the part of the cottage that first captures your heart. Built with natural, locally sourced stone, the facade of this cottage doesn't just sit in the landscape, it becomes a part of it. The texture, color, and character of the stone allow it to age gracefully, looking more beautiful as the years go by. The wooden window frames and clay tile roof add to the rustic charm, creating a warm, inviting look that's both traditional and timeless. Surrounding the cottage is a lush, native garden that requires minimal maintenance. Wildflowers, ferns, and creeping vines spill around the stone walls, adding to the illusion that the house has grown naturally from the earth. A gravel path leads to a hand-carved wooden door, a gentle nod to artisan craftsmanship. This home isn't about flashy finishes or modern trends. It's about connecting with the earth and embracing sustainable, slow living. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by warmth and authenticity. The living room is a masterclass in cozy, rustic interior design. Exposed wooden beams stretch across the ceiling, stained dark with age and character. The walls remain raw stone in some areas, adding a tactile texture that feels grounding and real. A large, stone fireplace commands the room, the heart of the home, where families gather, stories are shared, and winter nights become magical. The furniture is intentionally eclectic, reclaimed wood coffee tables, linen slip-covered sofas, vintage rugs, and artisan-made light fixtures. Natural light filters through the wooden shutters, creating a soft glow that dances across the stone and wood. There's no need for harsh lighting or artificial colors. Everything here reflects the palette of nature. It's a room made for presence, for slowing down, and for truly living in the moment. Moving into the kitchen, we see that practicality and beauty coexist in perfect harmony. Open shelving made from reclaimed timber displays ceramic plates, mason jars, and hand-thrown pottery. The stone countertops are cool to the touch and durable for a lifetime of use. An antique farmhouse sink sits beneath a window with a view that would make you forget city life ever existed. Rolling hills, dense forests, and the occasional deer passing by. The heart of this space is the wood-burning stove, doubling as both a cooking tool and a heating source in colder months. It's not about gadgets here. It's about intention, slowing down, and embracing the joy of making meals with care. Herbs hang drying from the ceiling beams, and the smell of wood smoke mingles with rosemary and garlic. This kitchen isn't just a place to cook. It's a place to reconnect with the rhythms of nature. Next, we arrive at the dining area, an intimate yet open space where every meal feels like a celebration of life. The dining table, hand-carved from a single slab of oak, comfortably seats 6. Above it hangs a wrought iron chandelier with beeswax candles, a warm, flickering centerpiece that invites conversation and connection. The surrounding panoramic windows blur the line between indoor and outdoor, letting nature join every meal. Here, it's not about fine dining, it's about slow dining. Imagine long weekend breakfasts, hearty stews on stormy nights, and wine shared under the glow of the setting sun. The natural textures of linen napkins, stoneware plates, and wooden bowls make every detail feel intentional. This space isn't just designed for eating, it's designed for being together, reflecting how architecture can foster closeness and authenticity. Let's move upstairs to the bedroom, where rest becomes sacred. The master suite is a sanctuary of calm, blending rustic texture with soft, organic elements. A canopy bed made from natural wood takes center stage, draped with linen curtains and dressed in warm, earth-toned bedding. The walls are a gentle mix of exposed stone and lime-washed plaster, exuding both rawness and softness in the same breath. Wooden floorboards creak just enough to remind you that you're in a space full of history and soul. A simple, handcrafted nightstand holds a ceramic lamp and a worn leather journal, suggesting peaceful nights of reading and reflection. The windows open wide to let in the morning breeze and the distant hum of birdsong. It's a room that says, slow down, breathe, you're safe here. And it reminds us that real luxury isn't glossy, it's quiet, honest, and close to the earth. The bathroom continues this philosophy of simple elegance. It features a natural stone sink carved from river rock, resting on a reclaimed wood vanity. Beside it, a freestanding clawfoot tub sits under a large window framed by gauzy linen curtains, with views out to green trees swaying gently in the wind. The floor is made of smooth river stones, naturally massaging your feet as you walk barefoot. Everything here is chosen with care: bronze taps, artisanal soap dishes, fresh-cut herbs hanging in bundles to dry. There's no sense of urgency in this space. It's about rituals, lighting a beeswax candle, running a warm bath, letting the silence wash over you. This bathroom isn't just for getting ready. It's for slowing down and returning to yourself, surrounded by textures and materials that feel timeless and grounding. Stepping outside, the terrace is a true highlight of this home, an outdoor living space that brings the comforts of inside into the wild beauty of the forest. A stone patio spreads out just beyond the cottage doors, with handmade wooden benches surrounding a central fire pit. Twinkling string lights are suspended between trees, creating a soft, magical ambience as twilight falls. Nearby, a hammock invites afternoon naps, while a small herb garden and raised vegetable beds show signs of a slower, more connected lifestyle. Chickens cluck in a coop not far away, completing the vision of self-sufficiency. This outdoor space isn't just designed for relaxation. It's an invitation to live in rhythm with the day, from sunrise coffee to stargazing by the fire. It's a life less distracted, more intentional, and deeply aligned with nature. This cottage isn't just beautiful, it's a philosophy made tangible. Every window opens to a view that encourages reflection. Every stone, every wooden beam reminds you that nature doesn't rush, and neither should we. Picture a steaming cup of tea resting on a windowsill, a journal nearby, and the wind whispering through the trees. There's a sacred stillness here that can't be replicated in city life. It's the kind of place that encourages presence, putting down your phone, stepping outside barefoot, noticing the light, the leaves, the way shadows move through the room. The rustic stone cottage isn't just a structure, it's an ecosystem of peace. It shows us that true design isn't about excess, it's about meaning, balance, and harmony. This is slow living, and it changes everything. And so, we return to where we began, gazing at this breathtaking stone cottage, now bathed in the soft glow of golden hour. The sun dips low behind the trees, casting long shadows across the stone walls. Smoke gently curls from the chimney. Birds fly overhead. The windows reflect the amber sky, and for a moment, the world feels absolutely still. This is the dream of living close to nature, not just imagined, but realized. If this lifestyle speaks to your soul, if this cottage stole your heart the way it did ours, we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite part of this home? Could you see yourself living this way? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to Nuance Art, like this video, and join our community as we continue to explore beautiful, meaningful design, one dream at a time.